Ladies and gentlemen, senhoras e senhores, meus lindos alunos, how are you all doing? Welcome to our live lesson. Welcome to our Conversation Club. Bem-vindos ao nosso clube de conversação, meus lindos. Tudo bem com vocês? Gente, hoje nós temos a segunda parte. We have part 2 of our wonderful video by that wonderful guy, that New York bestseller, Robert Greene. This guy is absolutely phenomenal. So let's just go ahead today. Today is May 15th. Maio 15, 15 de maio. And I'm very glad, I'm very happy to see all of you live with me. And we have part 2 of this beautiful lesson. I remember we stopped around this, we stopped at this part here when he was talking about around 7 minutes. So let's go ahead. Without further ado, sem mais delongas, without further ado, let's dive right in. Vamos mergulhar logo de cabeça. Let's para dentro. Let's dive right in.
Is the ability to be bored, right? So sometimes all these things are kind of related to that.
All these things are kind of related to that. Todas essas coisas são meio que kind of. All these things are kind of é meio que. Todas essas coisas são meio que, tanto quanto kind of related. Tanto quanto relacionadas a isso.
Is the ability to be bored.
To that. To that.
All these things are kind of related to that. Is the ability to be bored.
Is the ability to be bored. É a habilidade de ficar entediado. Esse to be aqui é ficar. Lembra que o verbo to be tem 3 significados? Ser, estar e ficar. E ficar, raramente a gente consegue identificar. Tem hora que o ficar fica melhor. Fica melhor no contexto. Is the ability to be bored. É a habilidade de ficar entediado.
Right? So sometimes boredom is a good thing. Sometimes boredom is a good thing.
Boredom é o substantivo. Free é o adjetivo livre. Freedom, liberdade. Bored é entediado. Boredom, tédio, é o substantivo tédio. Olha que legal. So the ability to be bored. And sometimes, boredom is a good thing. Tédio é uma coisa boa. Como assim tédio é uma coisa boa? É no momento de depressão, de introspecção, que a gente tem profundos insights, né? Deep insights.
Sometimes being frustrated in what you're doing is.
Sometimes being frustrated dá uma gaguejada aqui, in what you're doing. Às vezes, ficar frustrados naquilo que você está fazendo, in what you're doing, is okay. É normal. Tá tudo, it's okay, it's fine.
It's okay because it forces you to be patient.
It forces you to be patient. Ele te força a ser paciente. Não há nada para fazer, tem que esperar. O ovo da galinha não choca só com 21 dias. Não adianta, você vai querer quebrar, vai tirar o pintinho de lá com 17 dias. Não adianta, right? It forces you to be patient. It forces you to do what you can do and wait for the results, because there is nothing you can do to accelerate results sometimes.
And to slow things down.
You have to slow things down. To be patient, to ser paciente, para desacelerar as coisas, to slow things down.
Slow things down as well. One other thing I would say is.
One of the things I would say, uma das coisas que eu diria é, I would say, one of the things I would say, uma das coisas que eu diria is.
And I had a interview about this.
And I had an interview about this. E eu tive uma entrevista sobre isso.
Is the ability, the skill, it is a skill of managing your anxiety.
It's the ability, the skill. É a habilidade. Assim, em português nós só temos uma palavra para habilidade, né? Habilidade. Em inglês tem duas palavras para habilidade. Skill, que é uma palavra de origem germânica, skill, e ability, que é uma palavra de origem latina, né? Então, ability is to be able, ser hábil, ser capaz, né? Existe a palavra capacity também, que tem a ver com um pouco de capacidade, mas capacity tem mais a ver com capacidade de reservatório, né? Bem que tem a capacidade também de capabilidade, né? Mas não vamos entrar nesse detalhe agora. Ability é sinônimo de skill. It's the ability, the skill. It is a skill. É uma habilidade. The skill of managing your anxiety. Uma das pronúncias mais danadinhas da língua inglesa é a pronúncia da palavra ansiedade. Escreve anxiety. Olha a pronúncia anxiety. Meu Deus, olha que loucura. Você sai ao invés de X, você pronuncia um G assim, ó. Coloca a sua mão na sua garganta assim, ó. Anxiety. Como é que você olha para a palavra anxiety e pronuncia anxiety? Fala sério. É de pirar, né? Não. Anxiety. So, another important thing is the skill, the ability to manage your anxiety. Gerenciar a sua ansiedade.
Anxiety. So, when you're starting something out, when you're trying.
So, então, when you're starting something out, quer dizer, quando você está começando alguma coisa para fora, quer dizer, esse out aqui é só para dar aquele sentido assim de largada. Quando você está iniciando algo, quando você está dando uma largada, né? Começando, when you're starting something out.
So, when you're starting something out, when you're trying to build a business.
When you're trying to build a business, quando você está tentando construir um negócio, uma empresa, né? When you're trying to build a business.
When you're trying to write a book.
When you're trying to write a book. Quando você está tentando escrever um livro. When you're trying to write a book. Write. When you're trying to write a book.
When you're trying to create a movie.
Or when you're trying to create a movie. Ou quando você está tentando criar um filme. Se você for a filmmaker, um cineasta, né? Um fazedor de filmes.
You're going to feel a lot of anxiety because
você vai sentir, you're going to feel a lot of anxiety. Você vai sentir muita ansiedade.
Create a movie. You're going to feel a lot of anxiety because it's not there. It's going to take a lot of work.
Because it's not there. Quer dizer, porque não está lá ainda. Quer dizer, o resultado que você vislumbrou na sua imaginação ainda não está visual, né? You have to work before you can see some results.
It's going to take a lot of work. You're looking for me, years of work to produce.
For me, quer dizer, it's gonna take a lot of work. Quer dizer, vai levar muito. Esse take aqui, levar no sentido de ser preciso. Né? It's gonna take. How long does it take? Quanto tempo leva? Olha que palavra, olha que pronúncia, que construção legal. How long does it take? How long does it take? How long does it take? Quanto tempo leva for me to get these results? Para que eu possa obter esses resultados.
It's going to take a lot of work. You're looking for me, years of work to produce.
For me, years. Para mim, it's going to take a lot of work. Vai levar muito trabalho. It's going to take a lot of time. Vai levar muito tempo. For me, years of work. Para mim, anos de trabalho.
And I'm making a month for me, years of work to produce it.
A month. For me, years. Mês. Para certas pessoas, mês, né? Para mim, anos de trabalho to produce it, para produzi-lo.
A month for me, years of work to produce it. And it makes you kind of anxious.
And it makes you kind of anxious. Isso faz você meio ansioso. And And it makes you kinda é meio que, tanto quanto, né? And it makes you kinda anxious.
And it makes you, as I said before, impatient.
And it makes you, isso te faz você, as I said before, como eu disse antes, impatient. Faz você, como eu disse antes, impaciente.
Before impatient. But being able to deal with your anxiety,
mas ser capaz de lidar com a sua ansiedade, being able, quer dizer, sendo capaz, é o substantivo verbal. But being able to deal, lidar. But being able to deal with your anxiety,
and being able to handle it, and before impatient. But being able to deal with your anxiety and being able to handle it and manage it with your anxiety and being able to handle it
and being able to handle it, e ser capaz de manobrá-la. Handle é manuseá-la, manobrá-la, lidar, né? A gente te handle. Eu sei que você está enfrentando um desafio, mas eu tenho certeza que você consegue controlar isso, que você consegue lidar com isso, that you can deal with it, you can handle it. You can handle it. I know it's a big challenge, but you can handle it. You have the skill. Você tem habilidade. You have the knowledge. You have the know-how. You have the ability. You have the skill to handle it. Please, teacher, I can't handle it on my own. I can't handle this. I can't handle this. I can't solve this problem. I can't handle. When you say you can't handle something, it's because you can't deal with it. You cannot find a solution to that problem.
manage it with your anxiety and being able to handle it and manage it.
And being able to handle it, e ser capaz de manuseá-lo, and manage it, e gerenciá-lo, manage it.
And not get in a hurry to get to the goals that you want.
And not get in a hurry, e não ficar apressado, to get in a hurry. To get in a hurry. I am in a hurry. Eu estou em uma pressa. Eu estou com pressa. Are you in a hurry? Você está em uma pressa. Em inglês não é estar com pressa, está em uma pressa. To be in a hurry. Olha que legal. Are you in a hurry to do this? Are you in a hurry to get the results you want? Você está com pressa de obter os resultados que você quer? Are you in a hurry? Yeah, I'm in a hurry. I want to see the results immediately, instantaneously. I want to plant a tree and I want to see a tree grow fast in 2 or 3 days. If it takes longer than 2 or 3 days, I give up. I get impatient. Se levar mais do que 2, 3 dias para a árvore crescer e já está com 10 metros de altura, eu fico impaciente. É assim. O ser humano é assim. Nós estamos vivendo na era da impaciência, na era do bombardeio de informação. A gente não tem paciência para mais nada mais. A gente clica num site e demorar mais do que 3, 4 segundos para o site abrir, a gente já acha que já deu um problema. Antigamente, a gente, para obter uma informação, a gente tinha que ir na biblioteca, né?
Want is very important. There's elements of dealing with boredom, dealing with hurry to get to the goals.
Olha que legal. And not get in a hurry. E não ficar apressado to get the goals that you want, para obter as metas que você quer. To get to the goals. Não, to get to the goals aqui, desculpa, não é obter as metas, não. Para chegar nas metas. Chegar nas metas, chegar nos resultados. Esse get to aqui está no sentido de chegar, né? And not get in a hurry to get to the goals you want. To get to the goals, quer dizer, para chegar aos resultados que você quer.
That you want is very important.
It's very important, é muito importante.
Those elements of dealing with boredom, dealing.
So those elements, então, esses elementos, né, de lidar com o tédio, dealing with, being able to deal or dealing with boredom, lidar com o tédio,
with anxiety,
dealing with anxiety, lidar com a ansiedade,
and impatience are all interrelated.
And dealing with impatience, e lidar com a impaciência, they are all interrelated. Eles são todos interligados, interrelacionados, interrelated. They're all connected to to one another, né? Um com o outro. They're all related to one another. Todos relacionados um com o outro. To one another.
They're the
Se
ability
fosse só duas coisas, seria they're related to each other. These two things are related to each other. Estão relacionados um com o outro. Each other é entre dois. É um ao outro entre dois. Agora, they are all related to one another. Estão todos relacionados um com o outro.
to slow things down, interrelated. They're the ability to slow things down,
They're the ability, elas são as habilidades de desacelerar as coisas. They're the ability to slow things down.
interrelated. They're the ability to slow things down, to deal with the micro aspects of any kind of learning process.
To deal with the micro aspects, com os micro aspectos, né? Lidar é saber lidar, desacelerar. It's the ability to slow things down, to deal with the micro aspects, com os micros aspectos de qualquer tipo de processo de aprendizagem. Nossa, isso aqui é uma fala de um autor de livro, né? De um escritor realmente poderoso, igual esse cara aqui, Robert Greene. The ability to slow things down, to deal with the micro aspects, os microaspectos, os pequenos detalhes, os aspectos pequenos, microaspectos de qualquer tipo de processo de aprendizagem, of any kind of learning process, dealing with the micro aspects of any kind of learning process.
Aspects of any kind of learning process. Those are skills that I think are absolutely essential.
Those are skills that I think are absolutely essential. Essas são habilidades que eu acho que são absolutely essential. Absolutamente essenciais. Essas.
Those are skills that I think are absolutely essential for
Essential. Tem hora que eles não falam essential, mas essential.
going forward in the 21st century.
Essential for going forward. Para ir para frente, quer dizer, para evoluir, para progredir, para avançar, né? These are essential skills. Habilidades essenciais para, absolutamente essenciais para avançar no século XXI. For going forward in the 21st century.
Absolutely essential for going forward in the
Going forward. Né? Da agora para frente. Por exemplo, você está assim, eu acho que a gente usou essa tática até agora, but I think going forward, eles usam moving forward or going forward. I think we can use we can start using another. We can try and adopt a different strategy. Né? Eu acho que essa estratégia funcionou so far, né? Up until now, this strategy has worked fine. But moving forward, I think we're going to have to use a different strategy. Quer dizer, moving forward or going forward, tipo assim, indo para frente, seria o nosso da agora para frente, da agora em diante, né? From now on. Outra expressão linda que é a mesma coisa que moving forward. Né? From now on, from today on, a partir de hoje. Moving forward, I think we're going to have to use a different strategy. Eu acho que nós vamos ter que usar uma estratégia diferente.
21st century. Because what you want, the end game of all this is...
Porque o que você quer, what you want, the end game, quer dizer, o final do jogo, né? Quer dizer, a meta final, né? The end game of all this, quer dizer, o jogo final de tudo isso.
Want the end game of all.
Endgame. O que seria endgame, hein? Qual que é a outra definição para endgame? Deixa eu procurar aqui no Lingui o que talvez... Jogo final. Grande coisa. Jogo final. O jogo final, the endgame. Endgame, estratégia final. Final. Endgame. Tem nada extraordinário para o jogo final. The endgame. The end game of all this O jogo final de tudo isso is because you love learning. É porque você ama aprender.
All this is because you love learning, because you've been patient and you've developed skills and you're good
Because you love learning, porque você adora aprender. Because you've been patient, porque você tem sido paciente. You've developed skills, você tem desenvolvido habilidades. And you're good with people, e você é bom com pessoas.
patient and you've developed skills and you're good with people, you will reach a point where you have mastered a couple of things.
Olha que lindo. You will reach a point. Você reach é alcançar. Então você alcançará um ponto. Quer dizer, você vai chegar num ponto, né? You'll reach a point onde you have mastered, onde você tem dominado. Quer dizer, aprendido em nível profundo de maestria. To master. Não é masterizar, não. Tá? Lembra que eu já fiz até uma crítica a respeito disso, né? Muita gente traduz to master como masterizar. Tá? O que é masterizar? É dominar, é aprender em nível de mestre. Dominar profundamente. Quando você domina algo, é porque você tem conhecimento profundo, domínio profundo. Conhecimento de mestre. Por isso que é o verbo to master. So, you will reach a point, você alcançará um ponto where you have mastered a couple of things, onde você tem dominado algumas coisas, né? um par de coisas.
Point where you have mastered a couple of things, right? So it's not like you want to go through life.
Right? It's not like you want to go. Não é tipo, não é como você querer passar pela vida. It's not like you want to go through life. It's not like, quer dizer, não é como, it's not like you want to go through life. Então não é como você querer passar pela vida and just master one thing. E apenas dominar uma única coisa. Né? And just, deixa eu levar aqui um pouquinho para a esquerda. Fica melhor. Pode comer uma palavrinha ali. Ok, thank you. Not like
things, right? So it's not like you want to go through life and just master one thing. You want to master.
It's not like you want to go through life. It's not like you want to go through life and just master one thing. E só dominar uma única coisa. Ser bom só numa coisa. Não adianta. Hoje em dia a gente tem que ser multitarefa e tem que ser bom naquilo, né?
Master two. You want to go through life and just master one thing. You want to master at least two kind of real skills in the world.
So you have to master. Você tem que masterizar. Eu falando masterizar. Você tem que dominar pelo menos duas, né? At least two kinds of, acho que ele colocou no plural, dois tipos, two kinds of real skills. Dois tipos de habilidades verdadeiras, two kinds. Será que tem um Szinho aqui? Vamos escutar.
One thing, you want to master at least two kind of real skills in the
Não, ele falou foi no singular mesmo, dois meio que, two kind of real skills. Eu acho que ele não falou dois tipos, não. Dois meio que. Esse kind of aqui é o meio que, não é tipos de. Por isso que eu achei que poderia ser tipos de, aí precisaria do S, né? Mas é o kind of no sentido de meio que. Tipo, né? Meio que, kind of real skills, habilidades reais.
At least
two real skills. Pelo menos duas habilidades reais.
Real skills in the world.
No mundo.
For me, it was writing and research. And there were
For me, it was writing and research. Para mim foi escrever e pesquisa. Ele é um cientista. Scientist.
a few others, but being able to combine writing and research as I
but for me, okay. For me, it was turned off here. So, for me, it was writing and research, and there were a few others. Teve algumas outras habilidades que eu tive que desenvolver também, né? Mas as principais habilidades que eu desenvolvi, eu acredito que ele diria isso, né? But the main skills that I have developed were writing and research and the ability to research.
For me, it was writing and research. And there were a few others.
There were a few others. Houve mais algumas outras.
But being able to combine writing and research as I
But being able to combine, mas ser capaz de combinar writing and research, escrita e pesquisa,
had was what led to the 48 Laws of Power.
is what led, foi o que levou, is what led. Led é o passado simples do verbo, é o particípio, é o passado simples e o particípio também do verbo to lead, levar. Is what led to the 48 Laws of Power. Foi o que levou, a habilidade de combinar a escrita com pesquisa, eu tive, né? As I had, como eu tive, foi o que levou às 48 leis do poder. Foi o livro que ele escreveu com esse título, né? So he wrote a book with this title, okay? The 48 Laws of Power. 48 leis do poder.
I had was what led to the 48 Laws of Power. So you reach a point where
So you reach a point where you develop 3 really basic skills. Você alcança um ponto onde você desenvolve 2 ou 3 realmente habilidades básicas.
power. So you reach a point where you've developed 2 or 3 really basic skills, and then when you're 30 or in that vicinity, you're able to.
So when you're 30 e aí, né? E daí then aqui é daí. E daí when you're 30, e aí quando você tem 30 anos, when you're 30, acho que ele tá falando a idade, né? When you're 30, quando você tem 30 anos, when you're 30 years old, or in that vicinity, vicinidade, o que é isso, vicinidade?
Skills, and then when you're 30 or in that vicinity, you're able to combine.
Or in that vicinity, acho que é vizinhança, vem de vizinhança de... nunca ouvi essa palavra, mas eu tô tentando chutar aqui. Vicinity. Ou em torno disso, or in nessa. Vizinhança, proximidade, que loucura. Vicinity, or in that vicinity, ou em torno disso. Olha, nessa vizinhança, quando você não sabe o número certo, né? Você fala, quando você está lá com os 30, in that vicinity, nessa vicinidade, nesses arredores, ou por volta disso, né? Gostei. Vicinal. Por isso que estrada vicinal, são estrada perto, estradas vicinais, né? Estradas que nas imediações, nas proximidades. Olha que legal. Uau! Nas redondezas. Ou nessa redondeza, né? Então, foi exatamente o que ele disse. Então, quando você tiver 30, or in that vicinity, ou em torno disso, you're able to combine them. Você é capaz de combiná-las.
That vicinity, you're able to combine them and to create something, a new.
You're 30, or in that vicinity, ou nessas redondezas, you're able to combine them. Você é capaz de combiná-las.
Kind of business, a new kind of vicinity, you're able to combine them and to create something, a new kind of business.
E criar algo, novo tipo de negócio. And to create something, a new kind of business.
And to create something, a new kind of business, a new kind of enterprise.
A new kind of enterprise, novo tipo de empreendimento. Enterprise.
And because we live in an age where there's so much information.
And because we live in an age, esse because, tipo assim, e por quê, né? E pelo fato de nós vivermos numa era, numa idade, esse age aqui tá no sentido de era, numa época, where there's so much information, onde tem tanta informação, existe tanta informação,
available,
disponível,
and so many skills you can learn even online.
And so many skills you can learn. E tantas habilidades que você pode aprender, even online, até mesmo online.
Developing that, I absolutely guarantee that something brilliant will happen for you.
So developing that, então desenvolver isso, né? Developing that, desenvolvendo isso, né? Aqui esse developing aqui tá no sentido de gerúndio mesmo, né? Então tem tanta coisa para aprender, até em cursos online, né? There's so much to learn, so many things you can learn, tantas coisas que você pode aprender, even online, até mesmo online. Quer dizer, desenvolvendo isso, developing that, I absolutely guarantee, eu absolutamente garanto, that something brilliant will happen for you. Que algo brilhante acontecerá para você.
For you. But if you don't have the patience,
mas se você não tiver a paciência,
and the love of learning,
and the love of learning, e o amor do aprendizado, da aprendizagem, que eu clico aqui, ele cresce. Eu volto rapidinho.
none of this will ever matter. Something brilliant will happen for you. But if you don't have the patience and the love of learning, then none of this will ever matter. So those
Then none of this will ever matter. Will ever matter. E daí então, mas se você não tiver paciência e o amor da aprendizagem, então nada disso, none of this will ever, jamais importará. Esse ever, quer dizer, em qualquer momento da vida, jamais importará, né? Will ever matter. Jamais terá importância. Will ever matter.
and the love of learning, then none of this will ever matter. So those are the skills I think that are essential.
So, jamais importarão. So, those are the skills. Então, essas são as habilidades, eu acho, are essential. Eu acho que são essenciais. E
This will ever
eu
matter.
falo muito disso, né? A gente não tá tendo paciência. Coisas. Tem paciência de ouvir o áudio nem da mãe da gente. A velocidade normal, né? E não é normal isso. Por mais que tenha inteligências artificiais, frenesi, esse bombardeio, essa avalanche de tsunami, essa areia movediça de informações da internet. E a gente se deixando bombardear, sermos bombardeados por essa metralhadora de informações, né? Na ilusão de que nós estamos aprendendo, absorvendo, assimilando alguma informação para que a gente possa usar no futuro. E essa informação fica só na volatilidade da nossa memória RAM. Essa informação evapora. A gente desenvolve muito poucas habilidades. A gente muitas vezes tem informação. A gente está vivendo na era das aparências e das superficialidades, né? Parecer ser é mais importante do que ser, parece, né? Triste, muito triste. Até para vender o meu curso, as pessoas não têm paciência de escutar mais do que 2, 3 minutos do que eu tenho para falar, eles já desligam e não querem saber dos meus anúncios, né? É difícil anunciar para eu vender, para eu conseguir. Cada dia mais caro, cada dia as inteligências artificiais aí ameaçando cada vez mais, né? E as pessoas têm a ilusão de que o nosso cérebro deixou de ser humano, deixou de ser natural. Nosso cérebro continua sendo humano. A forma com que o nosso cérebro aprende, processa, assimila novos conhecimentos, transforma informação em conhecimento e desenvolve novas habilidades e competências. Forma a absorção do nosso cérebro igual uma planta. Não adianta a gente ficar 15 dias sem iguar a planta e achar que vai jogar 200 litros de água na planta depois de 10, 15 dias sem iguar e ela vai absorver. Não vai. Ela vai afogar e morrer. That's what happens most of the time. Às vezes.
this will ever matter.
None of this will ever matter. Nada disso jamais importará. So those are the skills I think are essential. Eu acho que são.
Those are the skills I think that are essential.
Uau. Bom, nós vamos voltar e vamos fazer agora o shadowing rapidinho.
A lot of people are turned off by learning.
A lot of people are turned off by learning.
And if you don't find learning one of the most exciting things in
And if you don't find learning one of the most exciting things, and if you don't find learning one of the most exciting things, and if you don't find learning one of the most exciting things
the world,
in the world, one of the most exciting things in the world,
then the whole
Then-
game, everything else
the whole game, everything else
will fall apart.
will fall apart. Se desmoronará.
But it has to be something that excites you.
But it has to be something it has to be something that makes you feel the love, enthusiasm. Enthusiasm. The love of learning.
I've said to many people that we live in a world
I've said to many people that we live in the world.
where knowledge and skills are the most important thing. That's the
Where knowledge and skills are the most important thing. Where knowledge and skills are the most important thing. Where knowledge and skills are the most important things.
goal that you are after.
That's the goal that you are after. That's the goal that you are after. That's the goal that you are after.
More than money,
More than
you want
money,
to develop knowledge
you want to develop knowledge. More than money, you want to develop knowledge
and skills.
and skills.
And so this person asks,
So so this person asks,
what would be the 3 or so skills that are the
what would be the 3 or so? Could be 4 or 5 or 2. 3 or so. 3 or so. Not necessarily or not exactly 3, but 3 or so. Could be 4 skills or 5 essential skills. So what would be the 3 or so skills?
most essential
Most essential.
moving forward in the 21st
Moving forward, avançando, moving forward in the 21st century.
century? And, it's not like specific skills.
And, it's not like specific skills.
That I'm going to talk about.
Those that I'm going to talk about.
Like coding or
Like coding,
mastering AI
Or mastering
going
A-
to some business
AI,
strategy.
or going to some business strategy,
AI or going to some business strategy.
or going to some business strategy, strategy.
Because I think that's not really what the spirit of the question is.
Because I think that's not really what the spirit of the question is. Repeat. Because I think that's not really what the spirit of the question is. Because I think that's not really what the spirit of the question is. Because I think that's not really what the spirit of the question is.
In general, there are certain kind of
In general, no geral, there are certain kind of personal skills.
the spirit of the question is. In general, there are certain kind of personal skills
There are certain kind of personal skills
that you want to develop.
that you want to develop, 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 develop.
Okay. So number one,
So number one,
this is something that I have in my book, Mastery. You
this is something that I have in my book, Mastery, Maestria.
must see being social and getting along with people
You must see being social, you must see being social and getting along with people, lidar com as pessoas, to get along. How do you get along with your boss? Se dá com seu chefe. How do you get along with your mother-in-law? Como é que você se dá com a sua sogra? That's a difficult question, huh? How do you get along with your workmates, with the people you work with on your job? Okay, how do you get along? To get along is to live with and the way that you treat people and the way that people treat you. How do you get along? Como é que você se obtém ao longo com as pessoas?
People and cooperating and knowing how to work
Getting along with people, cooperating, and knowing how to work with people. E saber como trabalhar. And knowing how to work with people. And knowing how to work with people. How to. And knowing how to work with people.
with people as a skill. It's not something you were
As a
born with.
skill. It's a skill. It's not something that you are born with. It's not something that you are born with.
It's not something that some people are good at.
It's not something that some people are good or bad at. Right? Oh, you're good at this or you're bad at this. No, you have learned it and trained it and become better at it if you practice.
Or bad at. Like anything, it is a skill that you develop.
It's like anything. It's a skill that you develop. It's a skill that you develop. It's a skill that you develop.
Being social and
Being social
knowing how to work with people.
and knowing how to work with people. Being social, the ability to get along well with everybody around you, right? And the ability to treat people well, to treat people with respect, with empathy, right? That's a skill. You're not. It's not something you are born with. Não é algo que você é parido com, que você nasce com. It's something you learn and develop. It's a skill. Oh.
Something you were born with. It's not something that some people are good at or bad at. Like anything, it is a skill that you develop.
It's a skill.
Being social and knowing how to work with people and knowing how to be sensitive.
And knowing how to be sensitive, how to be empathetic. E saber como ser não é sensitivo, não, é sensível, sensitive.
To their energy.
To their energy.
And in this skill, what it is you're able to pay attention to people.
It's when you're able to pay attention to people. That's active listening. A gente fala escutativa, não é escutativa, é escuta empática, empathetic listening. Escutativa. Se bem que escutativa faz sentido, né? Active listening. É ouvir na essência.
People and see who they are as an individual.
And see who they are as an individual. And see who they are as an individual.
And see what their particular needs are,
and see what their particular needs are. And see what their particular needs are.
Missing in life.
What they're missing in life. O que elas estão sentindo falta na vida.
And you're able to supply that.
And you're able to supply that. You're able to offer that. You're able to provide them with that, with what they need. Supply, fornecer. You're able to supply that. You see what they're missing, and you're able to supply that.
You're able to enter their spirit.
You're able to enter their spirit.
You don't offend them unnecessarily.
You don't offend them. You don't offend them unnecessarily.
You know how to work with them, right?
You know how to work with them. You know how to work with them.
You know how to properly criticize them if that's.
You know how to properly criticize them. You know how to properly, adequately. You know how to properly criticize them if that's necessary.
It's necessary.
If that's necessary, because if it's not necessary, you shouldn't criticize anybody.
Because if you don't understand that being social is a skill,
if you don't understand that being social is a skill, if you don't understand that being social is a skill,
if you don't develop it,
you
could be the greatest at whatever you could do.
You could be the greatest at whatever you could do. You could be the greatest at whatever you could do. You could be the greatest at whatever you could do.
Be even the greatest athlete in the
even the greatest athlete in the world. even the greatest athlete in the world.
But you're going to be offending your teammates. You're going to be offending.
But if you're gonna be offending your teammates, if you're gonna be offending people around you,
the people that you work with, and all of your knowledge and your other skills are going to be completely neutralized,
then all of your knowledge and your other skills will be completely neutralized. Then all of your knowledge and your other skills that you might have, que você possa ter, are going to be completely neutralized. Neutralized.
By how bad you are.
By how bad you are. Nossa, gostei dessa. Serão completamente neutralizados por quão ruim você é.
In dealing with people.
In dealing with people. Em lidar com as pessoas.
And so, when you look at...
Tipo assim, eu falo mesmo, falo na cara, né? Sou verdadeiro, eu sou franco. A língua é uma metralhadora, uma franqueza metralhando todo mundo, né? Vontade de falar pra pessoa enfiar a franqueza dela dentro da gaveta.
Social as a skill, what that means is...
So being social as... So you look at social.
And so when you look at social...
So when you look at social, quando você olha para social, when you look at social
as a skill, what that means is...
What that means is...
You have to be spending time with people.
You have to be spending time with people. You have to be spending time with people.
You got to get out of your phone. You got to get out of
You got to get out of your phone. You got to get out. You got to get out of your comfort zone. You got to get out into life, into real life. You got to, go to bars and meet people and talk to people, hang out with people.
Your office, you got to get out of all of
You got to get out of your office. Get out of your office.
Virtuality.
You got to get out of all your virtuality.
You have to be around people.
Be around people.
Interact more.
And interact more. Interact more.
That's the only way that you will become social.
That's the only way that you will become social. That's the only way that you will become social.
And if you find yourself, alone a lot.
And if you find yourself, alone a lot, if you find yourself alone a lot,
and have found that difficult, you have to force yourself out.
And have found that difficult. Yeah, and have found that difficult. Yeah. And have found that. Se tiver achado isso difícil, não tem esse ai não.
And if you find yourself, alone a lot and have found that difficult.
And have found that difficult, and have found and if for you being alone is difficult,
you have to force yourself out.
You have to force yourself out there. Tem que se forçar para ir lá para fora. Force yourself out there.
You have to force yourself to go to clubs.
You have to force yourself to go to clubs.
To go to bars.
Club não é clube de natação não, tá, gente? Club é nightclub. Quando fala club in English, não é like para nós aqui no Brasil, clube é lá nos Estados Unidos que eles chamam de water parks, parques aquáticos. Para nós aqui, club, né? Quando fala club in English, it's like a nightclub, like a boate, like a special nightclub. You gotta go to clubs. You gotta go to nightclubs. Watch.
Hang out with people.
Hang out with people.
So developing social skills.
Developing social skills
is incredibly important.
Incredibly important.
But it's not the only thing, right?
But it's not the only thing, right?
So another skill that's extremely important.
That's extremely important.
And probably the most important
and
of
probably the most important skill.
All.
The most important of all And probably the most important of all
develop a love of learning.
is to develop the love of learning.
I know personally,
I know personally
when there's something that I don't
when there's
know,
something that I don't know, when there's something that I don't know,
there's something that I'm not good at,
when there's something that I'm not good at, something that I'm not good at,
that I then take an effort
then
to
I then I take an effort,
learn it,
to learn
get
it,
better at it. And
to get better at it. To get better at it.
I'm not going to say specifics. It could be
I'm not going to be specific here. I don't want to be specific.
some sports, or it could be
Could
playing
be
a musical
sport,
instrument or a
or playing an instrument,
game.
or a game.
That process of
That
learning
process
to
of
me
learning,
is so
that process of learning, me,
exciting.
is so exciting.
It's like
It's like
I know it because when I was a
I
child,
know it because when I was a child,
getting better at something is a really, really exciting process.
getting better at something was a really, really exciting process.
So I will give you an example. Years
I will give you an example. So I will give you an example.
ago, when I was writing
Years ago,
the war book,
when I was writing the war book,
I got myself a pool table
I got myself a pool table
because I wanted something to take my mind off
because I wanted to take my mind off
the war book, which is
the
really,
war book. I wanted to take my mind off the war book,
really heavy and
which was really heavy,
like kind of driving me crazy.
like kind of driving me crazy. Tá me levando loucura. Was kind of writing that book was kind of driving me crazy, porque tinha que fazer muita pesquisa, né, sobre guerra e tudo.
And I wanted something where I could just do
So I wanted something that I could just do. Eu queria algo que eu pudesse só fazer.
feel the strategy
Just feel the strategy, sentir a estratégia
in the game
in
itself,
the game itself,
and just kind of get out of my head.
and just kind of get out of my head. Meio que sair da minha cabeça. And just kind of get out of my head. Get out of my head. Get out of my head. Get out of my head.
And
And
at first I was really bad at it.
and at first I was really bad at it. I was terrible.
But slowly I got better and better. I was
And slowly I got better and better.
practicing. I was
I
playing
was practicing. I was playing
against myself,
against myself,
which is pretty easy.
which is pretty easy.
And I would read books about it, and
I would read books. Eu lia livros, né? Interessante que esse would não é só o auxiliar do condicional. I would read, pode ser eu leria, mas também é o pretérito imperfeito do modo indicativo. Eu lia. I would read. I would read books, quer dizer, eu lia livros. Eu lia. Não é só leria, não, é lia também. Dependendo do contexto, você detecta se esse would ele é melhor interpretado como sendo o futuro do pretérito, né, do modo indicativo, que é o condicional em inglês, leria, ou se é melhor a gente interpretá-lo como o pretérito imperfeito, modo indicativo. É o eu lia. Porque eu li é o pretérito perfeito, né? Isso em português, a nomenclatura, porque tempos perfeitos em inglês é outra coisa. Mas eu sou apaixonado pela língua portuguesa também e eu domino nomenclatura dos tempos verbais em português também. Eu sou apaixonado. O modo indicativo em português são 6 tempos, né? Que é o presente, os 3 passados, que é o perfeito, o imperfeito e o mais que perfeito, né? Por exemplo, um verbo qualquer, o verbo correr. Corro, aí os 3 pretéritos é corri, corria e correra. Correra, o simples, porque o composto você tinha corrido, né? E os 2 futuros, que é o futuro do presente, correrei, e o futuro do pretérito, correria. Isso é em português. Tive um professor, gente maravilhoso, eu morava em Marília na época, e eu devo, com certeza, fiquei sabendo que ele já faleceu. O professor João de Deus, morava em Marília, eu fiz uns 2 ou 3 anos, ele foi meu professor de português. Eu aprendi verbo, conjugação verbal, umas tabelinhas maravilhosas. Grande parte da minha índole, do meu caráter e da minha paixão em ensinar com tabelas, com esquemas de memorização, técnicas de associação mnemônica, eu devo ao professor João de Deus. Certos professores, certos mentores e acreditam na gente mais do que a gente mesmo, né? E ele era apaixonado pela língua inglesa também, mas ele não era fluente em inglês. E ele era fluente em português, e eu falava inglês melhor do que ele na sexta série, na sétima série. E ele era encantado, então eu era meio que teacher's pet, né? Eu era meio que puxa-saco do professor. E esse professor realmente formou o meu caráter de professor e educador. Por João de Deus. Que Deus o tenha. E agora ele é João de Deus mesmo, né? Thank you so much. Professor. My mentor. My master. Thank you.
Practice certain shots. And when I could, pretty easy, and I would read books about
And
it.
I would read books about it. E eu lia livros sobre isso.
And I would practice certain
And I would practice. E eu praticava. Aí, ó, não é eu praticaria, é praticava.
shots.
Certain shots. And I would practice certain shots.
And when I could make like a double bank shot and things like
And when I could make like a double bang shot,
that, or put spin on the ball, I was so excited, man.
and like to put like that, or put spin on the ball, things like that, or put spin on the ball, botar o giro, né? O efeito, né? Spin.
This was really great. The feeling that you're in
Igual tem uma jogada no tênis que chama top spin. É quando você bate a raquete no topo da bola, né? Ela vem assim, você chapa, você não chapa a bola assim. Você vai com a raquete assim, top spin, você bate na parte de cima dela para ela girar, né? Top spin. É o giro do topo.
improving at something. A lot of people are turned off by learning.
A lot of people are turned off by learning.
And if you don't
And
find
if you
learning
don't find learning,
one of the most
one of
exciting
the most exciting things in the world,
things in the world, then I think
Then-
you're never going to develop the whole game. Everything
I think you're never going to develop the whole game.
else will fall apart.
The whole game, everything else will fall apart.
But it has to be something that excites you.
But it has to be something that excites you.
If you are somebody who's interested in literature and you
If you're something who's interested in literature, if you're someone who's interested, if you're somebody who's interested in literature,
try and learn,
and you try and learn
Algebra.
algebra,
that could be interesting. You may enjoy
that could be interesting.
the challenge,
You may enjoy the challenge,
but you won't learn as much because you're
but you won't learn as much. You won't learn as much
not really that interested in it,
because you're not really that interested in it. You're not really that interested in it.
right? But if
Right.
you learn like a foreign language,
But if you learn like a foreign language, but if you learn like a foreign language,
like French, where you
like-
can read the
like French, where you can read
literature,
the literature,
you're so motivated that you will
you're so motivated
learn.
that you
And
will learn
that natural love
that natural love
you have
you have
will come out.
will come out.
The other skill that you must develop, so
The
just
other skill that you must develop,
to reiterate, just being
the other skill,
other skill that you must develop, so just to
so just to
reiterate, just being social,
reiterate is being social, é ser social.
having a love of learning.
Having a love of learning.
The third one is kind of related to
The third one is kind of
the
related
second one,
to the same one.
but it is patience.
But it's
a lot
it's
of people
patient.
nowadays
a lot of people
are really,
nowadays
really impatient.
are really impatient, really impatient.
And the reason I think is,
And the reason I think is
I mean, I'm very,
mean,
I have a lot
I'm very impatient myself. I have a lot of impatience.
of impatience.
I'm impatient. I have a lot of impatience. I'm impatient. I have a lot of impatience.
Myself, so I can't preach about that. But
I can't preach about that.
the reason why I think it's gotten worse
But the reason why I think it's gotten worse,
is we're so used to the power
so we're so used to the power
of our phones,
of our phones,
of our computers,
of our computers,
that we think everything should be happening quickly
that we think everything should be happening quickly
and instantly.
and instantly.
If we have to
Os nossos computadores e os celulares são artificiais, né? Nosso cérebro ainda continua humano, natural.
wait 5 seconds to get a
If we have to wait 5 seconds
piece of
to
information
get a piece of
on
information
the internet, we can't
from
go,
the internet,
oh my God, it's taking
we immediately say, "Oh my God, it's taking so long. Why it's taking so long? Por que tá levando tanto tempo?
so long. It takes so long to
It's
download.
taking so long to download." Para fazer o download.
Whereas 20, 30
Whereas, enquanto que
years ago,
20, 30 years ago,
you would have had to go to the library.
you would have had to go to the library.
You would have to spend an hour to do it.
You would have had to spend an hour to do it.
You learned how to develop patience to find things.
So we learned how to develop patience to find things. Nós aprendemos a desenvolver paciência para achar as coisas. Realmente.
But people are so impatient because everything is so quick and
People are so impatient because everything is so quick
easy and powerful.
and so easy and so at hand. Tão na mão, né? So powerful
Right now.
right now.
So you want to be able to slow things down.
So you want to be able to slow things down.
You want to have the ability
You want to have the
to
ability
say,
say,
it's going to take me an hour to learn this.
if it's going to take me an hour to learn this,
If I have to spend time
if I have to spend time
practicing something that's
practicing something
tedious,
that's tedious,
I'm okay with it.
I'm
I
okay
like
with it. It's learning to have the ability to manage boredom, right?
the slowness. I actually embrace the pain that's involved.
I actually embrace the pain that's involved. I embrace the pain. Eu abraço a dor. I embrace the pain that's involved. Está envolvido.
So learning anything, developing any skill,
So learning anything, developing any skill, aprender qualquer coisa, desenvolver qualquer habilidade,
involves pain.
involves pain. Involves, it takes time. Leva tempo.
When I first got that pool table,
When I first got that pool table,
I was so bad at it. It was
I was so bad at it.
so frustrating.
It was so frustrating.
really made me kind of upset because I
It really made me kind of upset
like being really good at things.
because I liked being really good at things. I like being really good at things.
right?
Quem não gosta de ser bom nas coisas, né?
But I played it every day and I got
And then I played it every day,
better and better and
and I
better
got better and better.
and better. And then I remember one day,
And then I remember one
I
day,
had mentioned this before,
I think I had mentioned this before.
I was playing with
I was playing
50 Cent in his
with 50 Cent. Ah, é o cara, um amigo dele com o apelido de 50 centavos. I was playing with 50 Cent in his office,
office and I beat him 3 times in a row.
and I beat him 3 times in a row. In a row. 3 vezes em uma fileira. Quer dizer, 3 vezes em seguidas, né? In a row. I beat him 3 times in a row.
He's a pretty good pool player. I felt,
And he's a pretty good pool player.
wow, man, I've arrived.
And I said, wow, man, I've arrived.
But then I had a humbling experience a few
But
days
then I
later
had a humbling
when I went to this
experience. Eu tive
pool
uma
hall in
experiência
Manhattan.
humilhante poucos dias depois. And then I had a humbling, adorei essa expressão, humbling. Then I had a humbling experience a few days later. I had a humbling experience a few days later.
But then I had a humbling experience a few days later when I went to this pool hall
When I went to this pool hall
in Manhattan and I got creamed
in Manhattan,
by this other guy. So
and I got creamed. Eu fui encremado aqui no sentido de fuzilado. Eu fui massacrado. I got creamed. Massacrado. Eu fui pulverizado. Eu fui derrotado de lavada. I got creamed by this guy. Por esse cara.
put kind of all in Manhattan and I got creamed by this other guy. So, put it in perspective.
So he kind of put it in perspective. Então, para colocar para me colocar na perspectiva, me colocar no meu lugar, né? Para poder enxergar as coisas do lugar certo.
But I was getting better at it. I had to be
But I was getting better at it
patient because at first
because
I really sucked at it.
I really
So
sucked at it.
developing patience is
Developing
absolutely
patience,
critical thing.
absolutely critical
And
thing.
related to that,
And related to that,
so all these things are
so
kind of
all these things are kind of
related to that,
related to
is the ability to
the
be
ability to be bored,
right?
right?
So sometimes
So sometimes
boredom is a good
boredom is a
thing.
good thing.
Sometimes
Sometimes
being frustrated
being frustrated
in what you're doing
what you're
is okay
doing,
because
it's
it
okay
forces you.
because it forces
It
you.
forces you
It forces
to be
you to
patient,
be patient
and to slow things
slow
down
things
as
down.
well.
Eu tô
One of
fazendo o shadowing agora na mesma velocidade dele, não tô lendo, só tô
the
olhando a
thing I
boca
would
dele.
say
One of the things I
is,
would say is,
and I had a interview about
and I
this,
had an interview
is
about
the ability,
this, is
the skill,
ability,
it is a skill
this is a skill, it's a
of
skill
managing your
of managing your
anxiety.
anxiety.
So
So
when you're starting
when you're
something out,
starting
when you're trying to
something
build
out,
a
when you're trying to
business,
build a business,
when you're trying to
when you're
write a
trying
book,
to write a
when you're trying
book,
to
or when you're
create a
trying to
movie,
create a movie,
you're going to feel a
you're
lot of
going to feel a lot
anxiety
of
because
anxiety
it's not there.
because
It's going
it's
to take a
not
lot
there.
of
It
work.
can take a lot
You're
of
looking
work.
a month, for me,
You're looking a
years
month,
of
for
work
me,
to
years
produce
of
it.
work to
And it makes you
produce
kind of
it. And it
anxious,
makes you kind of
and it makes you,
anxious,
as I said before,
as I said
impatient.
before, impatient.
But being able
But
to
being
deal with your
able to deal
anxiety
with your
and being able to
anxiety
handle it
and
and
being able to
manage it
handle it and
and not
manage
get
it
in a
and
hurry to
not
get
get in
to
a
the goals
hurry
that you want
to get to the
is
goals
very
you want
important.
is very
Those elements
important.
of dealing with boredom, dealing
So
with
these
anxiety,
elements of dealing
and
with
impatience
boredom,
are all
anxiety,
interrelated.
impatience, all
They're the ability to
interrelated. The
slow
ability
things
to slow
down,
things
to
down,
deal with the
and
micro
deal with the
aspects of
micro
any kind of
aspects
learning
of
process.
the
Those are
learning process.
skills
Those
that
are
I think
skills
are
that I think
absolutely
are
essential
absolutely essential
for going forward in
for
the
going
21st
forward in the
century.
21st
Because what you
century.
want,
Because what you
the end
want,
game of all this
the end
is
game of all
because you love
this,
learning,
because you love
because you've been
learning,
patient
because
and
you've
you've
been
developed
patient,
skills
you've
and you're
developed
good
the
with
skills
people,
and you're good
you
with
will
people.
reach a point
You'll reach a
where you have
point where you
mastered a
have
couple of
mastered a couple
things,
of things,
right?
right?
So
So
it's not like you want
it's
to go
not
through life and
like
just
you want to
master
go
one
through
thing. You want
life
to
and master
master
one thing. You have to
two,
master
at least
two
two
kind of
real
things,
skills in the
real
world.
skills in the
For
world.
me,
For me,
it was
it was writing
and research.
and
And there were a few
research.
others.
There were a few
But
others.
being able to
Being able
combine
to
writing and
combine
research as
writing
I
with
had
research
is
I
what
had
led to the 48
is
laws
what
of
led to
power.
the 48 laws
So you
of
reach a
power.
point
So you
where
reach
you've
a point
developed
where you've developed
two or three
two or
really
three
basic
really
skills,
basic skills.
and then when you're 30
And when
or,
you're
or
30
in that vicinity,
or in
be
that
able to combine
vicinity,
them and to create something,
you
a new kind
create
of business, a new
a
kind
new
of
kind of
enterprise.
business, a new kind of
And
project.
because we live in an
Because we
age
live in an age
where there's so much
where there's so much
information
information,
available and so
you
many
know,
skills you
so,
can learn
so
even
much skills
online,
you can learn even
developing
online.
that, I absolutely guarantee
I
that
can
something brilliant will
guarantee
happen
that
for you.
something
But
brilliant
if you
will
don't
happen. If you
have the
don't
patience
have the
and
patience,
the love of
the
learning,
love of
then
learning,
none of this will ever matter.
none
So
of
those
this
are
will
the
ever
skills I think that
matter.
are essential.
These are essential. These are skills that I think are essential. Those are the skills that I think are essential. Those are the skills that I think. Wow. Quer dizer, eu fiz no finalzinho aqui agora uma um shadowing aqui na mesma velocidade que o cara falou, né? Esse é um exercício que eu, como intérprete simultâneo, também treino bastante, né? Tanto na mesma língua, entrando em inglês e saindo em inglês, como entrando em inglês e saindo em português, como entrando em português e saindo em inglês. Essa é uma técnica também para intérpretes simultâneos têm que treinar. Eu já treinei bastante essa técnica. Meus lindos, vocês gostaram dessa lição? Fala sério. Que lição, hein? Wow. What a lesson. A wonderful. Thank you so much. I love you all, guys. Thank you. Thank you. See you in the next video. See you next lesson. Bye-bye. God bless you all.